Hi, this is Jamie, Fort Vancouver Library's Experiential Learning Librarian. Today I raided my recycle bin to see if we could make something fun. Some core supplies you always need when you're doing a maker project. Some adhesive. Today I'm using just regular Scotch tape, and I have some blue painter's tape. If you have masking tape, that's also an excellent building material. A nice little pair of scissors, but we may not need these today. Paper towel rolls. A couple of nice lightweight boxes. Any kind of box you have that's laying around. Cereal box is really great because it's really thin, and when you break these boxes open, it's really easy to build with the materials. It's easy to cut. It's also super easy to tear, which is why I like the cereal box cardboard. And then I just have a container here. I don't know if I'm going to use this or not, but it was in my recycling, so I grabbed it. For today's marble maze, I'm going to build on this box I found. It's kind of short. I would call this a level 1 marble maze. You know, if you have other things to pile on top of it, I'd highly recommend that. To make my box a little bit taller, I'm going to lift up this flap, and then I'm just going to put one of my big books behind it. Just like that. So our goal is to make a marble maze that runs from here down the side of the box to the bottom. I've pulled off a nice long piece of tape for me, so I don't have to keep pulling it off as I go. I really like painter's tape and masking tape because, again, just like cereal box cardboard, it's super easy to tear. And I'm going to keep all these little scrap pieces and make my own little ball that I can then roll down my maze. What I'm going to do, I think I'm going to make this the goal at the bottom of my box. And the great thing about experiential learning and maker activities is there's no right or wrong way to do it, which is why I love it, because I always tend to do things the super hard way. I'm going to start, and I want to have some fun with my maze, so I'm definitely going to make sure it goes into the bucket, because this is the goal here. But this cardboard tube is really long, and I want to make sure it zigzags up that way. I'm just going to cut off a little bit of this. I'm not going to measure anything, because who has time for that? We need to build this marble maze. So I'm going to start a cup there. And again, I like the thin cardboard because it's easier to tear. Then I'm going to take some tape. Just going to tape it on here. Again, there's no instructions for how to build a marble maze. You make it up as you go, and that's awesome. When you're building your marble maze, you're going to go through a lot of different things. It's not going to work right off the bat. Mine never do. None of the things I make ever do. But it's called a prototype. We're going to try out a design, see how it works, see how it doesn't work, and then we're going to improve on it from there. So that's part of the iterative process. Iterate means to try over and over again. You're just really going to work with what we've got and make it better. I think my second part of my marble maze is going to come down like this. I'm just going to tape this down here because I do like it right there. I think I'm going to line these two up because it seems like that would be important for them to touch. I'm going to try out my little marble here. It needs to be slightly bigger. I'm going to just wrap my scrap tape in some more scrap tape and make it kind of ball shaped. Super teeny tiny ball. So it's so small, it works anyway, which is amazing. But I think what I want to do to make sure that it does it every time, I'm going to add a little bit of my cereal box cardboard. Just put it right here just to kind of help guide it in there. So far, looking pretty good. Now we're going to move up into the top of our box here. I have this really great toothpaste box here. It's a beautiful shape for building a marble run. So I'm actually just going to stick it on the end here. Maybe straight up, maybe at an angle. Angle's definitely cooler. I'm even going to use the little flap on the end here as a little guide. That will make it amazing for the ball. That's looking pretty awesome. I'm going to use the rest of this tape on my ball, which is in this little bucket here. Come to me! Okay. Perfect. Still intact. Sign of a good marble maze. It can withstand Jamie. And then we're going to try it out here. Yeah! So this is a level 1. Can you find other things to build a level 2? Keep building and have fun. We hope to see you again soon at the library. In the meantime, there are lots of cool resources on the library website. Go to www.fvrl.org.